Hello, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to week 6. We're moving right along. In week 6, continue what you're doing. We review over the learning objectives and then dive into the reading of Cotter's Leading Change. You will find that as you begin to read through the 8-stage process that Cotter offers, that the methods are to a degree fairly easy to understand. The challenge is the application of those methods within organizations. You will also learn more about that this week as you observe the author in a number of videos that we have prepared here for you regarding the leading change process and what is needed, including creating urgency and developing a network of individuals that are supportive of the change efforts, and on in those first aspects of the 8-stage process. Once you've completed the readings and the videos, of course, you're going to jump into your discussions for the week. As sort of a reminder, if you have the capability, you are by all means able to, as long as again they're professionally and scholarly, but you can create a video rather than adding a written discussion post. But again, it has to be, of course, citing information from the various sources where you got the information from and so on. So that's an option available to you. So that's just a reminder. And then, so for this week, imagine your response is actually an organizational CEO. And this is sort of practice for what's coming up when you present your portfolio to your instructor. But if you do that, then I also believe that maybe the quality of your work will continue to improve, because now this is the main person within your organization. You are the organizational expert. What are the roles of managers and leaders in an effective organizational change effort? That is a very important question to be able to answer, because many organizations do not quite understand differences in being a manager leader. Many organizations do not have nearly enough leadership, and many organizations do not train individuals to be leaders. They focus on management. So when you go through and answer this question and look at the differences between what management and what leadership should do, and sometimes there's a crossover there, managers are also leading, but consider what they do and their importance, because then as you reflect back on what you've previously learned, you should begin to understand how organizational change efforts often fail, because maybe, for instance, people are trained to be managers, but they are not taught how to be effective leaders. So that's some things to reflect on. As you're going through your discussions, of course, you have some other activities that you'll be doing for the week, including, again, quiz, portfolio contributions, and then completing the continuous improvement survey. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great week.